Oba, you Jack the Greek. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's the last episode before Christmas Day. And yes, my viewers, you've all been waiting for this one. It's a beautiful banquet of seafood. We've just come back from Preston Market, and thanks to our friends over there. And look what we have here. What a beautiful array of seafood. We have some crabs, blue swimmer crabs, some beautiful large prawns. We also have some octopus, calamari, salmon, snapper fillets, and of course, our scallops and our oysters. We're going to complement them today with some beautiful olive oil and lemon, some parsley, some garlic butter, and of course our favourite chilli. Now don't forget, without the Crossroad Barbecue, we could not do this today. So thank you to our friends at Crossroad Barbecue. The prep time for any seafood banquet like this takes a little bit of time. It took me around half an hour to 45 minutes to get everything cleaned, everything washed and ready to go. But let's see what we need to do next. The Crossroad Barbecue, we've got all 4 burners on low. That's how we're going to cook today, because our seafood is quite gentle and soft. So we're going to make sure that we don't burn anything. Our Crossroad temperature is sitting at around 300 degrees. Cooking time, it's not going to take us more than about 10 or 15 minutes to cook everything here. So what Jack the Greek's going to do is try to cook everything all at once, time it in a way that we can serve it all together, ready for the family to eat. We're back now. Let's start putting everything on the Crossroad Barbecue. We're going to start with the fish that takes the longest to cook. That way I think we can plan all our timing of all our seafood at the same time. So let's go. Here we go. Whoa, nice and warm. Let's have a look at this. Beautiful. So we've got our snapper there. We've got our salmon there. Next to it, we'll just put our calamari and our beautiful octopus. And because of the benefits of the Crossroad Barbecue, or the constant heat across the entire grill, there's no fear. Anywhere you put it on the Crossroad Barbecue, it will cook at the same time. Now we're going to use the top grill. We'll put our crabs up there slowly and gently, just like that. We'll let them sit there. Put our blue swimmers just here, one next to each other, like that, and our crabs just there. It's not over yet. We've got our big prawns, just like that. And as everything's cooking, we will start also marinating our food. So we'll put our oysters up here, just like that. We're coming close and have a beautiful look. If only you could smell through the video, to smell how beautiful this is. Mix them around, doesn't matter where you put them, they will all cook together, just like that. Now, we're going to start. I'll show you a couple of combinations with the crabs. Some of the crabs, we will put a butter and garlic bit of marinade, and this is how I like to do it, just like that. We will leave our blue swimmer crabs without it, because we're going to use lemon and oregano for them, and parsley. We will put some chilli in our oysters, just like that. So we're going to have chilli oysters. By the time I finish marinating it, it'll probably be time to turn the fish around. What have we got left? We've got that, we've got that, we've got that. And obviously our scallops. We'll put a bit of garlic, but we'll also add parsley to our scallops, just like that. So we'll straighten them up a little bit, move them here. And as you can see, the top grill has already started to change its colour. If you look at the crabs, a little bit of parsley, just like that, and our scallops, and away we go. Now, the fish, it's been on about 2.5 minutes, I'd say, plus our octopus. Look at that, beautiful. Our fish, nice and turn it over. Our calamari, look at that, and our beautiful snapper fillet over there. Okay, I reckon we'll close this now, and within about 5 minutes, we'll be ready to serve and plate up our beautiful seafood banquet for Christmas. Opa. Now it's time to plate up. Just a bit of a recap. We've had the Crossroad Barbecue on low for around 10 minutes while we've been cooking our beautiful seafood banquet. So before we put it on the plate, very quickly, a bit of salt and pepper on the items that we're not going to, oh, forgot that one, that we're not going to use a marinade, that we're simply going to use a bit of lemon. So we'll put the pepper on while we're here, just like that. And now, let's start plating up. First of all, we have our beautiful salmon. Opas. Next, we have our beautiful snapper fillet. Opa. Then we have, oh look at the juices, our beautiful calamari. And then, straight from the Mediterranean at Preston Market, our octopus. Now, for the little ones, we have, how do we plate this up? We have our beautiful scallops, just there, with butter and garlic. Come in close and have a look at this. Beautiful. We have our hot chili oysters, just there, just like that. Beautiful. As you can see, it's quite easy to cook. 10-15 minutes on the Crossray barbecue is all you need on Christmas Day. Just like that. And I think we've got a couple more back here. Oysters. Oh, scallops. Just like that. We also have our beautiful fresh prawns. Let's just plate them over here. A couple over here. Just like that. Beautiful. Right. One more, I think. It hasn't run away. Just there. And of course, we have our crabs. Look at that. Opa. Beautiful. Beautiful crabs. One there. One more. Just there. And let's not forget our other scallops just here. So what we'll do is, with these scallops, we have a bit of lemon. These are the two crabs that need our lemon, just here. We have our scallops over here. We have our octopus. We have our calamari, our fish, just like that. And of course, a bit more salt on the fish as well. And I think I've got a viewer there that's telling me we've left something behind. Let's have a quick look. Yes, we do. A couple more crabs. What we'll do is, what I want to show you, come in close, how juicy these crabs still are after the Crossray barbecue. Look at that. Beautiful. Excellent. Oh, beautiful. So let's put them now on. Just like that there. A couple of halves next to it. And that one we'll leave for Jack the Greek. So, let's recap. About half an hour to 45 minutes prep time for a beautiful seafood banquet. 10 minutes to 15 minutes on the Crossray barbecue with all 4 burners on low, using both the bottom grill and the top grill. And this is what you can have. A beautiful seafood banquet to celebrate with your family on Christmas Day. Opa, from Jack the Greek.